Ever looked at a weather app and wondered how on earth it knows it's going to rain in 3 days? Is it just a lucky guess? Well, not quite. The science behind weather prediction is a fascinating mix of high-tech tools and a deep understanding of our planet's atmosphere. It all starts with data, and I mean a ton of data. Think of it like a giant puzzle. We have pieces coming from weather balloons floating high up in the sky, measuring temperature, humidity, and wind speed. Satellites are our eyes in space, watching cloud formations and weather systems move across the globe. Then there are weather stations on the ground, radar systems that can see rain and snow, and even data from commercial airplanes. All these sources are constantly collecting information about the current state of the atmosphere. So what happens to all this data? It gets fed into some of the most powerful supercomputers on the planet. These computers run incredibly complex mathematical models of the atmosphere. These aren't just simple formulas. They are sophisticated simulations based on the laws of physics and fluid dynamics. Imagine trying to predict the movement of every single particle in a giant, swirling fish tank. That's kind of what these models are doing, but for our entire planet's atmosphere. They take the current weather conditions, the nowcast, and use these powerful equations to project how those conditions will evolve over the next few hours, days, and even weeks. The computers run multiple simulations, slightly changing the initial conditions each time. This creates what's called an ensemble forecast, giving meteorologists a range of possible outcomes and helping them determine how confident they can be in a particular forecast. Now, you might be thinking, if we have all this amazing technology, why are forecasts sometimes wrong? That's a great question. The main reason is something called the butterfly effect. The atmosphere is a chaotic system, which means a tiny, seemingly insignificant change in one place, like the flap of a butterfly's wings, can lead to huge, unpredictable changes later on. Our data collection, while extensive, isn't perfect. There are still gaps over oceans and in remote areas. Even the smallest errors in the initial data can get magnified by the computer models over time, leading to a forecast that's off the mark. This is why short-term forecasts for the next 24 to 48 hours are usually very accurate, but accuracy tends to decrease the further out you go. Predicting the weather a week from now is much harder than predicting it for tomorrow. So, how can you become a better interpreter of weather forecasts? First, understand that forecasts are about probability, not certainty. When you see a 30% chance of rain, it doesn't mean it will rain for 30% of the day. It means that in 100 similar situations, it would rain in 30 of them. It's a measure of confidence. Second, pay attention to the details. Look at the hourly forecast, not just the daily summary. This can tell you if the rain is expected in the morning or the afternoon. Also, it's a good idea to check multiple sources. Different forecast models might produce slightly different results, and looking at a few can give you a more complete picture. Finally, learn to read the sky yourself. Notice the types of clouds, the direction of the wind, and changes in air pressure. These are the same classic signs that people have used for centuries to predict the weather. The science of weather prediction is constantly evolving. With better satellites, more powerful computers, and advancements in artificial intelligence, forecasts are getting more accurate every year. We're getting better at predicting not just rain or shine, but also severe weather events like hurricanes and tornadoes, giving people more time to prepare and stay safe. It's an incredible field where science and technology come together to help us plan our lives and navigate the powerful forces of nature. So next time you check the weather, take a moment to appreciate the immense scientific effort that goes into that simple prediction on your screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of science. See you in the next one.